Hello and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll do quadratic equation in one variable word problem, part 3. If you haven't gone through with my part 1 and 2, the link is given in the description. In today's class, we'll solve some very important past year question from this chapter. So without further delay, let's start today's class. Here we have a similar type of question you can see, which I have done in my previous video. A car covered a distance of 400 kilometers. So that means distance we have at a certain speed. So we don't know the speed. Had the speed been increased, so you can see it's more. More means plus. The time taken, obviously the time taken will be less. Okay, so 1 hour 40 minutes less. Find the original speed of a car. So 2012. So we don't know the original speed of a car. So what we'll do? Solution. We'll take let the original speed of the car be x. So I have taken it as x kilometer per hour. Okay, so I have taken the speed as x kilometer per hour. So what they are given is that they are given us distance equals to how much we have 400 kilometer, and this speed is x kilometer per hour. So therefore what I will get? Time. So as you know, the time formula is distance upon speed. So what I got? Distance is 400 upon x. So this take it as 1. Again they had given us what they are given. So distance remain the same. Distance is same, so 400 kilometer only distance, but now the speed has been more. So speed more means it will be, what will be? X plus 12. Okay, so x plus 12 kilometer per hour. So everyone, you know now time formula is distance upon speed. So what I have distance 400 upon x plus 12. So let us take this as 2. So already I have told in my previous video what you'll do. You'll use a simple trick. Now what you'll take, both the time equal, you'll take 400 upon x equals to what you have, 400 upon x plus 12. So already I have told you that lower if it is more, denominator if it is more, the value will be less. That means this value is less. That means I have to add 1 hour 40 minutes in this value. So 1 hour 40 minutes is there, but this time we have got in hour. So that means 1 hour 40 minutes also has to be changed in hour. Let's change this 1 hour 40 minutes. So I'll show you here. Okay. So what they are given is that time is given 1 hour. This is your hour 40 minutes. So 1 hour 40 minutes, how can I write is that 1 will be 1 only. This will be 40 upon 60, because 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So 0 get cancelled. This, what will be this? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So this I'll get 3 1s are 3, 4 5. So 5 upon 3 hours. Okay, so I got 5 upon 3. So I'll write this 5 upon 3 in this. So 5 upon 3. Now I have to do the LCM. So what will be the LCM? So it will be 400 upon x equals to the LCM of these two. So it will be x plus 12 into 3. So now this get cancelled and this 3 will multiply this side. So 3 into 400, 3 4s are 12. 1200 plus this will go up, cross multiply, you can think of it, x plus 12. Okay, now what I'll do? Now again I have to do cross multiply. Yeah, this will come this side. So it will be 400 into 3 x plus 12. Now this will go, x will go that side, so equals to x. So what do you have? This side is, I have 1200 plus 5 into x, 5x plus 5 12s are how much? 60. 5 12s are 60. Now I have to form the quadratic equation. Now this will be a 400 into 3 is 1200. 1200 into x will be 1200x plus 400 into 12 4 3 are 12, 1200 into 12, 12 12 are 144, 14400 equals to, now you can see 1260 is 1260, so 1260 x plus x into x, this will be 5x square. Okay, now what I'll try to make is that all this I'll take that side, because this from my plus 5x, if I'll bring this side it will be minus, so I don't want to make the x square coefficient negative, so this whole thing I'll take to the other side. So here we have done LCM 2 1400, 2 720, 2 360, 2 180, 2 90, 2 45 are 3 15 are 3 5 are 5 1 are. Now I have to make 2 880. So here you can see 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, and 60, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. That means what I got? 60 minus 48. So you can 60 minus 48. That means if I'll do 60 minus 48, I'll get 12. 60 into 48 is 2880. Okay, so it's matching. So I got the breaking the middle term value. So now what can I do? X square plus 60 into x, 60x minus 48x minus 2880 equals to 0. Now what can I do? Common from this, x is common, so x will be x plus 60. What will be common here is minus 48, so it will come x plus 60 only. So as you know that it should be matched. Yeah, so now it's x plus 60, x plus 60 is same, so this you will write common, so x plus 60 common, so another, this 2 will be in another bracket, x minus 48 equals to 0. Now what I have to do? Either x plus 60 equals to 0, that implies x equals to minus 60, so speed cannot be negative, so this is not my answer. X minus 48 equals to 0, that is x equals to 48, so this is my answer. Therefore the original speed of the car equals to 48 kilometer per hour. So this is my final answer, and you'll get 4 marks. Okay, so this I hope so you got 1 hour 40 minutes means 40 upon 60, since 1 hour contains 60 minutes, so 0 0 cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 5 upon 3 hours. So wherever it's small you will add that. Since here denominator is bigger, always remember that if the denominator value is bigger, the value will be smaller. Okay, so this is your bigger number, so this means this is smaller number, so I have to add 5 by 3 this side. So we will form the quadratic equation, and you will solve by breaking the middle term. Okay, so since the speed cannot be negative, so I will not take this, so 48 kilometer per hour. Now this is your 2012. Now let's solve another question. Here is similar type of sum which you have done in before. Okay, so what happens is that in this, instead of distance they are given us rupees, you can see here 480 rupees, 480 is divided equally among x student. That means you can think that is as a speed. Okay, this is as distance. So if the number of children is 20 more, that means speed has increased. Okay, you can think that way. Then each one will get 12 less. So find x. Okay, so we have got the number of children we have. So solution. So you can see it's 2011. So number of student, what they are given? Number of student is student equals to x. So number of student we have x. And what you have? Money also they had given us. Total money equals to how much is that? In first case 480. So now according to question, money received by each. So therefore money received by each equals to what will be? 480 upon x. Okay, suppose I have 100 rupees and I am giving 5 rupees to each student. That means how many students will be there to complete that? Yeah, it will be how much? 5. You have to divide, yes, 100 divided by 5, 520. That means 20 students are there. Similarly, I have money 480 and student is how many? X. So 480 upon X. Again, what that given is that number of student has increased. So number of student is increased. So how much we have? 20 more. That means it will be X plus 20. Okay, so total money is same, 480 only. So therefore, money received by each, what will be? Total money upon student, 480 upon X plus 20. So this is my 1 and this is my 2. So already I have told you. Now what you will do? We will use a simple trick, that we will take this equal 480 divided by X equals to 480 divided by X plus 20. So you can say me which one is small now? Which value is small? This value is small, yes or no? Because denominator more, the value will be small. That means there we have to add how much? 12 rupees. So we'll add 12 this side. Wherever the value is small, we'll add this way. Okay, so in this method, no need to think and all, just directly you can do. Less also, don't take that. Whatever is the value, you will take that. Both which one is small, there you will add. Okay, if we'll take this less, that means this minus 12 will be this side. Okay, that will be very much complicated. Okay, you have to think and all. In this, no need to think. Whichever is small, you will add that side. So denominator nothing means it's here 1. Now what you'll do? You'll do LCM. So this will be 480 upon X equals to, what will be the LCM of these two? It will be X plus 20 only. So this cross multiply, you can think 480 plus this will be a 12 X plus 20. Now we'll do cross multiply this side. So it will be 480. So this will be X plus 20 equals to, this X will go that side, X. This is your 480 plus 12 into X, 12X plus 12 into 20. 12 2 is 24. That means 240. It will be like this. Okay. Now or 480 into X, it will be 480X plus 480 0 0. So 2 8s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 9 6 0 0 equals to, this will be a 480 plus 240. So how much it will be? 480 plus, okay, I'll write 480x on, because this side is 480, so it will get cancelled. Yeah, 480x plus x into this will be 12x square plus 240x. So I didn't add. Okay, why? Because I got this side also 240, so 240 will cancel those. That's why I didn't do. Okay, so now what I'll do? So I don't want to make 12 negative, so I'll take this whole thing to the other side. So this way, this side I'll make 0. 480x plus 12x square plus 240x. So this, when I'll take that side, it will be minus 480x, and this will be a minus 9600. Now you can see here, what will we get cancelled? If 480 will get cancelled. So that's why I didn't took to the other side. So what I got now? Finally I got the equation. So I got the equation. What you got? So I got 12x square, then plus 240x, then we have minus 9600 equals to 0. Now what you can do? 12 I can take common from all the side. Okay, now let's take common 12. So it will be, or 12 I am taking common, so you'll think that you are dividing. 12 will get cancelled. X square plus 12 2 is 24. Yeah, 20x minus 12 8 is 96, 800 equals to 0. So now what I have to do? I have to bring middle term. X square plus 20 will be in the bracket. If this is minus, this side also minus. X minus 800 equals to 0 upon 12 is your 0 only. Now I have to do the LCM of 800, and after subtracting I should get 20 and multiplying I should get 800. So it's easy only. Yeah, 40 into 20. Yes or no? So 40 and 20. So no need to do LCM also. 40 minus 20 is 20. 42 is 800. Okay, 40 20 is 800. So simple this. No need to do LCM also, because 4 2s are 8 and 2 zeros are there as 0. Okay, now what can I do here? X square plus 40 into x, 40x minus 20 into x, 20x minus 800 equals to 0. Now as you know, we have to take common. So x common, x plus 40 minus 20 is common. So what will be this and this has to come same, so you can write directly x plus 40 equals to 0. These two are same, so what will be this? X plus 40, and this two in another bracket, that is your x minus 20 equals to 0. So therefore what will be? Either x plus 40 equals to 0, that equals to x equals to minus 40. So student, the number of student cannot be negative, so or x minus 20 equals to 0, so therefore x equals to 20. So I got the positive value, that means this is the number of student. So therefore what will be? Therefore that's it. Also just to find x equals to, therefore x equals to 20, therefore number of students equals to 20. So I got the answer, and you'll get how much marks? You'll get this for 4 marks. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So if you have any doubt, you can comment us in the comment box. You can send us the question also, we'll solve you and we'll send you in the comment box.